Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2018 essay stream. This is question number 1 of part 1 from the topic inequations. This question says the number of pair a comma b of positive real numbers satisfying a power 4 plus b power 4 less than 1 and a square plus b square greater than 1 is option A 0, B 1, option C 2 and D more than 2. Okay, now to solve this question, let us assume that this number A is lying on x-axis and B is lying on y-axis. Then this A square plus B square equal to 1, if I consider first, it will be actually representing a circle whose center is at origin and radius is 1. Okay, a circle whose center is origin 0, 0 and radius is 1. In fact, this a square plus b square is actually the square of distance of a comma b from 0, 0. Okay, now let us understand what will be the graph or what will be the diagram of a power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 1. A power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 1. Now to solve this, we can write this as a square plus b square whole square equal to 1 plus 2 times a square plus b square. And because a and b both are positive real numbers, so it will be greater than 1, strictly greater than 1, which means all those points for which a power 4 plus b power 4 is 1, for them a square plus b square will be greater than 1. Okay, which means those points which are satisfying this a power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 1 will be having distance from origin to be greater than 1. Okay, that means this graph of this a power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 1 should be lying outside this circle. Here this orange color is circle a square plus b square is equal to 1 and this blue color is the graph of a power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 1. We have proved that for any point on this a power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 1, the distance of any point on it from origin will be greater than 1. Now, after understanding that graph of these two will be like this, then let us assume a point, let us say A, between these two graphs. Now for this point A we can see, and let us say it is P comma Q. I think P square plus Q square has to be greater than 1 because it is lying outside the circle whose radius is 1. So this will be greater than 1. And also because this A point is lying inside the region given by a power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to 1. So P power 4 plus Q power 4 should be less than 1 for such point A. Now we can directly say for all such points which are lying between these two regions, they should be such that only that p square plus q square greater than 1 and simultaneously p power 4 plus q power 4 is less than 1. That means they will be satisfying both these inequations given in the question. So we can expect to have infinite such points that will satisfy the given equations, and hence the answer for this question should be D. Okay, I think that is a very good solution for this question because we can say it directly graphically. So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such